A factory reset erases all personal data, apps, and settings, returning your Apple Watch SE3 to its original state. This is ideal for selling or gifting your watch, troubleshooting persistent issues like battery drain or syncing problems, or if you simply want to start fresh. Before resetting, ensure your watch is charged to at least 50% and backed up to iCloud to prevent data loss. This process differs from a simple restart, which only clears the cache. There are two primary methods for factory resetting your Apple Watch SE3: using your paired iPhone or directly on the watch. Via iPhone, open the Watch app, tap All Watches, select your SE3, tap the eye icon, and choose Unpair Apple Watch. Confirm to erase all data. Directly on Watch, press and hold the side button until Power Off appears. Power off, then press and hold the side button again. Swipe to erase all content and settings, enter your passcode if prompted, and confirm. After erasing, you can set it up as a new device.